plant. So let's read. So I have to adjust this thing given to me few seconds, so I can take a marker. I wanna take just a highlighter, so I can highlight those things I can point out. So commissioning of power plant. So it's important because of before the start the plant, they needed commissioning commissioning of the power plant is complex actively and very complex activities है. A plant started first after the erection, and lots of activity are involving during the erection, and the primary focus on the complex of the project, complete the project within the schedule and time as well as within the budget. Understand? And so some problem may comes during the initially start up the commissioning, especially care is required is to be taken. उसकी केयर करना जरूरी. During the commissioning, experience manpower guide by the original equipment of the manufacturing. ठीक है. So these things. And next read how to spell by the right, especially can make commissioning easier. ठीक है. The commissioning is the personnel should be the associated during the power plant erection to have the clear idea about the system or the plant. They should be the familiar with the piping instrument, P&ID diagram. Okay. Piping and instrument diagram as well as with the machine manual. Okay. Before the commissioning, they should go through the commissioning by the operating of the instrument supplied by the equipment manufacturer. The commissioning team should work under the leader and of the particular responsibility person. All activities of the commissioning should be the documented and as well as the communicated to the all the team members. Okay. There is always of the risk during the commissioning, so risk है भैया. Proper safety precaution are to be taken during the commissioning. Commissioning is the commissioning of power plant as a whole is commissioning of all individual system of the power plant. Okay. Once all individual system are commissioned, all system can be put on service to finally run the turbine and start to the generator. Okay. So in the furthermore in the subsequent section, the pre-commissioning and the commissioning activities of the individual system are discussed. Okay. Depending upon the types of the boiler, the size of the plant, there may be variation in the commissioning method, but in general there is some common activities which is mostly carried out during the commissioning. The main aim of this chapter is given to some basic idea about the power plant commissioning in the some major activities involved. However, the practical commissioning is any power plant instruction given by the equipment manufacturer are to be followed. So this is we read about the commissioning. Now it's the next one or important topic. It's the commissioning of boiler. It's very important. That's really very important. Now we are coming for this topic, right? So so commissioning of boiler is the critical activities in it involves some statutory IVR requirement. Understood? So also like the hydro test, safety valve settings, total value of commissioning may have the divided into some activities that are described here, the separating of the better and understanding. So these things भैया रिस्क है, बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is related to leakage test of pressure parts and the flushing. लीकेज टेस्ट करना है भैया. So what we will go, the lots of the welding work is carried out during the erection of the boiler pressure parts. X-ray test. Understood? X-ray test करना रहेगा. Of the some welding joint are the carried out the extreme quality of welding. Extreme quality of welding. The X-ray testing is also statutory requirement. Some percentage of the total welding joint in the test via the X-ray, as all welding joint can be tested throughout the X-ray. So there the chances of the welding defect these joint initially the leakage can be detected by the filling of the pressure parts with water. Understood? The small capacity pump is used to fill up the pressure parts. DM plant is also used to initially fill up. The leakage from the defective joint can be detected and rectified easily. During the transportation, storage, erection, some foreign particle may go inside the pressure parts, so the pressure parts also required to be the flushed throughoutly. The removing of any dust, dirt and foreign particle are individual drain. The point are to be open. Find out the choking in if anywhere. So ये होना चाहिए लीकेज टेस्ट में. अब नेक्स्ट वन आता है लाइक द हाइड्रो टेस्ट, प्रेशर टेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट्स. हाइड्रो टेस्ट और प्रेशर पार्ट्स ऑफ द टेस्ट. सो देयर इज आल्सो यूनिक. लेट्स गो. द हाइड्रो test of the newly erection boiler is statutory requirement, very requirement. Also, any major leakages present in the pressure parts can be detected hydro test. The procedure of the hydro test is already discussed in the earlier chapter. In the case of new boiler, hydro test is carried out carefully. The pressure is also rise slowly and any leakage has found this is to be arrested. ओके, हाइड्रो टेस्ट होना चाहिए. फर्नेस लीकेज टेस्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यार. फर्नेस लीकेज टेस्ट. सो बॉयलर फर्नेस इज मेड ऑफ वाटर बॉल. द कॉस्टेबल refractories and solid plates. Flue gas should not leak off the furnace, and atmosphere air should not be the ingress into the boiler. The lots of the welding works is done to be area and change of the leakage is there. Okay, so before the initially filling of the boiler is to be assured that there is no leakage in the furnace. Flue gas is path of the boiler. For this, if simple test is carried out, all door and dampers are closed, smoke is created inside the furnace. After some time, smoke comes out from the leakage joint is the flue gases path which can be detected easily and sealed. Sometimes a light in the put inside the furnace and the flue gases path and the outside of the boiler area made dark. In there is any leakage, then the light comes out. The test carried out before applying insulation the outside of the boiler furnace. तो ये हमारा फर्नेस लीक टेस्ट हो गया. Chemical cleaning of the pressure parts. Chemical cleaning of the pressure parts. Okay, so chemical cleaning देखेंगे. So oil and gas and iron oxide rust. Oil, grease and iron oxide rust and the mill scaling the present in the pressure parts in newly erected boiler. The boiler pressure parts are to be cleaned thoroughly before the putting in the boiler in service. Otherwise, these particles will affect the heat transfer and created the problem in the circulation of the feed water inside the boiler. For this purpose, chemical cleaning of the boiler pressure parts is carried out. The acid of the EDTA cleaning. EDTA cleaning. Alkaline boiling out in the carried out of the cleaning of the boiler tubes. Okay. EDTA cleaning होना चाहिए. The chemical cleaning procedure discussed here the detail the acid cleaning procedure involved. The cleaning neutralization in the passivation. So the next one is the acid cleaning. भैया acid cleaning की जाती है. The acid cleaning is the one either circulation fill the soak method. Circulation method in the preferred to be cleaning of the pressure parts naturally force and circulation boiler. Detail of the acid cleaning are already discussed in the chapter 9. The removal of the water side scale here will discuss about the acid cleaning the passivation procedure of the new boiler. The procedure is almost same in both cases. The literally different in the monitoring parameters is newly boiler the mostly all pressure parts connecting to the acid cleaning. Circulation types of acid cleaning arrangement is thus shown in figure. Acid solution in the preferred. In the acid solution tank, the temporary pipeline fabrication circulation in the acid of boiler pressure parts. The arrangement is also made all the drainable pressure parts to be connected for the acid circulation in, and the main steam line is also included in the loop. Okay, so circulation this is the acid tank यार. सोचो एसिड टैंक का यूज़ किया जाए. सर्कुलेशन पंप एसिड का यहाँ से सर्कुलेशन होगा ये पूरा सर्कुलेशन मैन स्टीम लाइन तक स्टॉप बाल तक एंड दोबारा से अपना टैंक में पानी आ जाएगा. सो एसिड सर्कुलेशन अरेंजमेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू क्लीन द बिफोर द कमिशनिंग. The main purpose of the removing iron oxide from the boiler is protected tube metal. Discussed earlier the inhibitory aid to the acid solution protect the tube material from the erosion action to the acid. An inhibitory reduce the corrosion rate. The inhibitory reduce the solution in the circulation through the unlit correct temperature via the pump. The circulation of the acid reacts the iron oxide the mills scales in the surface of the boiler tube. So the concentration of the iron solution increase. The iron concentration in the return acid solution from the boiler measure frequently so that cleaning program can be the monitoring. The cleaning program procedure completed, all the iron oxide is removal and the no further reaction is deposit taking place. The acid extent has reached the blame iron concentration in the solution has got stabilized. After the completion the cleaning process, the solution drain out the carefully. After the neutralization, normal acid cleaning is not done and non-drainable superheated coils. Typically, iron concentration is new boiler is shown in figure. So cleaning time, there's the cleaning and Fe concentration in milligram. अगर क्लीनिंग टाइम ज़्यादा रहेगा, सोचो ये क्लीनिंग टाइम इतना रहा, ये इतना रहा, ये इतना रहा, इतना रहा, इतना रहा, तो आयरन का जो मिलीग्राम है लाइक वो हमको मैक्सिमम मिलेगा दैट पॉइंट, राइट. आयरन का मिलीग्राम पर लीटर है शायद, आई थिंक सो, मिलीग्राम पर यूनिट है, मतलब जितना आयरन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विद द क्लीनिंग टाइम पे निर्भर करता है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो आफ्टर द एसिड क्लीनिंग द सॉल्यूशन इज ड्रेन आउट, देन द प्रेशर पार्ट्स ऑफ लूप फ्लश. प्रेशर पार्ट्स ऑफ लूप में फ्लशिंग मारना है with cleaning water until the flushing water influence the free acid solution iron salt. Some alkaline solution ammonia, sodium hydroxide, trisodium phosphate circulate in the neutralization and residual acid inside the boiler tube. Acid cleaning surface is very reactive, so the formation of the protective the layer required after the acid cleaning. So this process is not as passivation. Okay, passivation. The passivation agent like the sodium phosphate, hydrogen, nitrate, circulation in the formation the passive cohesive iron oxide FeO3 protecting the layer. After the passivation, temporary piping is removable. Boiler is made already from the steam. So next one is question is alkali boil out. Alkali boil out कैसे करते हैं? So alkali boil out in the boiler, fill the normal DM water. Alkali solution, particularly soda ash and the caustic soda, add into the boiler drum. Normally the steam drum internals are removed and the temporary gauge in the fitted on the boiler to avoid the damage of the original gauge. Gauge glass due to the chemical reaction, all instrument tapped are isolated. ये isolate कर दो सभी को. Okay. As per the cold startup procedure, boiler light up. Sometimes allowed to dry out are newly applied refractory of the boiler furnace. After the refractory dry out, the pressure is boiler is increased the control way to get sufficient circulation of boiler inside the boiler. Water sample tested regularly intervals. The boil out of the completely after the phosphate oil and particles and pH of the water stabilize. Okay, alkali को boil out करने के लिए. After the alkali boil out, the cool down and water drain out and boiler internal is the risen with the fresh DM. Okay. So ADTA cleaning. भैया ADTA cleaning क्या है अभी पढ़ते हैं. So is the next point is ADTA cleaning. Ethylene diminetrate classic, very difficult there. Ethylene diminate centric acid EDTA, simple form, is nowadays used to extensively to cleaning of the boiler. EDTA is circulation in the boiler pressure parts, cleaning the boiler tube inside the furnace. Circulation of the solution takes place due to the natural circulation water during the control. Operation of the boiler alkali boil, the cleaning, neutralization and the passivation to be achieved sequentially with the single solution. Under controlling condition, hence the cleaning with the passivation time to reduce drastically. So safety valve setting, भैया safety valve setting is the new topic. भैया safety valve setting. How to do that safety valve setting? Safety valve setting is the situatory requirement, very situatory, compulsory requirement. As the discussed boiler earlier, there is the three safety valve. One installed in the superheater outlet and other two one placed into the steam drum. Superheater safety valve is set at the lower pressure than that the drum safety valve. Lower pressure than that the drum safety valve. To set these safety valves, the boiler is light up and the safety valve is to be set the keep on the service and the other two are gauged. Pressure on the boiler rise slowly as per the normal operation procedure of a boiler. Fuel feeding rate kept minimum. The safety valve is required to be lifted and rise a desired pressure as per the boiler pressure rating. According it is the adjustment to the get left and rise in the pressure. Likely this is all three valves are set. All gauging removal procedure has to be taken during the initial pressure build-up. The drum pressure gauge should be the perfect and the calibration. If the safety valve does not lift beyond the set pressure, then the pressure of the boiler is to reduce and setting to be done again. Commissioning of the feed water pump. The next is commissioning of the feed water pump. Okay. Before the commissioning of any equipment, power plant, electrical motor, that equipment should be the commissioning first. Directly of the rotation and current drawing should be checked. The motor should be lifted to the run on the no load same times in decouple condition. Then only the couple is to be done. Especially care should be taken meanwhile the commissioning boiler feed water. The deaerator should be the inspected and the cleaning thoroughly. The avoid any the foreign particles on the feed water pump. Okay, the suction lines, suction strainer of the pump should be clean. Cooling water should be flow freely for the gland and bearing cooling. Bearings should be properly lubricated, okay, and pump is properly aligned with the motor. Feed water pump is to be started from locally from the first time. And pump body temperature, any abnormal sound, wearing temperature, motor current, discharge pressure, and balancing pressure etc. are to be checked regularly. Okay, commissioning of the fan. Commissioning of the fan. Commissioning of the fan. The various fans are used in boiler. These are FD, ID, PA fan. Before the commissioning of this fan, driving motor are to be commissioning first before the coupling. Individual fan are to be started from locally. Keep damper on requirement position. Properly care is to be taken. Removal any foreign particles, suction and discharge duct to be fan. is it is to be kept run some period before the putting in the normal operation load. Then the interlock. These fans are to be checked. Okay. And next one, commissioning of the fuel handling system. फ्यूल हैंडलिंग सिस्टम की कमीशनिंग करने के लिए likely other drives or powerful drives used in the fuel handling system is belt, crusher, screen, oil pump, and also the commissioning one safety interlock is to. Okay. To be checked should not be any oil and leakage of the fuel line in the coil fire. Boiler system. The whole sound run perfectly in the interlock. The base feeder should indicate accurate weight. In the crusher, screen, elevator is to be commissioning one by one. The other auxiliary system of the boiler like as handling, ESP, are the commissions before the putting of the boiler into the operation. Okay, so next one is commissioning of turbine. Likely boiler commissioning the turbine compresses of a different step. These steps are discussed here to be given the little idea about the commissioner activities. The activities may vary from the plant on depending upon the size. There is types of turbine. Still some common activities are discussed here in understanding. Lube oil flushing. Lube oil flushing. Lube oil flushing. Lube oil is the lifeblood of any turbine. In the lubrication of the bearing, oil is required to be the very cleaning freely suspended foreign particles. Contaminated rust and dust particles are their pipeline before the fabrication. During the fabrication, lubrication pipe welding debris may enter the pipe. These particles can be damage of the turbine bearing, so the pipeline, storage tanks, and other connecting system, lube system are to be clean. The properly circulation of the fitting oil before the putting in the turbine line. The flushing is important task of the turbine commissioning. The mostly lube oil line is soaked acid solution internally cleaning the fabrication pipeline, removing from the all position of this acid, cleaning thoroughly, rising fresh water, fitting again the dust, rust, and the scale present in the pipeline. Remove the lube oil tank, clean properly recommended grade and lube oil fill into during the initial circulation of the lube oil not permitted enter in the turbine bearing. Suitable temporarily arrangement made the soldering the pipeline loop so that the oil can be circulated throughout the entirely parts of the pipeline without entering the bearing. The fitter carry bridge to be lube oil fitter removed and the oil started to circulation of the oiler pipeline. Any foreign particle in the pipeline plus out return to the lube oil tank throughout the return oil pipeline. Any leakage notice the line arrested and the wire mesh the higher size of put in suitable location in return in the connection of the tank. The debris or is collection here and the mesh of the cleaning regularly. When the debris found in the mesh indicating there is no foreign particles on above the mesh in size. Likely the gradually smaller mesh size where the mesh fitting in return of the oil line. The circulation of the oil continue to debris in the found. Circulation carried out the 25 mm mesh the clean. Both oil filter, oil cooler are put into the service interchangeable. The flush both the oil filters and cool. Then the temporary pipeline is removed The oil allowed to be flow throughout the bearing as per the normal system. The oil flushing may require the more time depending upon the pipeline condition. The effectiveness of the acid cleaning. Once the 5 minutes is the cleaning, the circulation is stopped. All the oil, lube oil tank in the drain out. The drain is thoroughly cleaning the fresh new oil filled into the tank. After the carriage is placed in the oil filter, oil should be circulated as per the normal particle. The sufficient quantity of oil carriage is to kept ready as their exchange. Too frequent filter choking. Once the system is stabilized, new filter is to be put into the filter. नया फिल्टर लगा देना पड़ेगा, समझ रहा है, if the chalk there is present. So steam blowing, what is the steam blowing? Let's learn. I think the lecture we don't want to the furthermore extend, just the 35 minute we go maximum. To be clean the main steam pipeline connecting to the turbine, steam blowing the carrying out. The blowing carried out रखना चाहिए. The blowing is the steam, any particles in the boiler, the piping steam, they may have damage of the turbine, right? कोई particle रह गया तो internal or the dislodged in the blowout. Thermal cycle, heating, cooling, and the velocity of steam flowing throughout the pipeline shock the pipe. They tend to break the miles scales in the building slack. Any from of the pipe wall, the steam blowing should be done of priorities of the insulation to the mix the abnormal cycle. Ideally, to be obtain any optimizing cleaning condition in the pipeline during the steam blowing should be the same as more than the normal operation of the maximum load. The steam blowing created the abnormal as serve condition. The boiler steam pipe largely rapidly temperature change occurs during the blowing cycle. These cycles of the temperature is more served than that the normal operation. Thermal stress may be excessively heavily ball portion system such as steam drum header piping. The properly care to be taken during the steam blowing. Before the steam blowing, the pipeline flush with the water and normal hydro test carried out as per the statutory requirement. After the hydro testing, the water flushed out. Some cases chemical clean in the pipeline. Also done the circulation acid solution as the discussed earlier. After the acid cleaning, line rise thoroughly the fresh water. Okay, the pipeline up to the turbine ESP is connected. The pipeline turbine ESV के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. The connected as steam blowing ESV removed and one temporary pipe connection there. The pipeline open the atmosphere. The pipeline is open to the atmosphere. Provision is made at suitable location. The target plate as the temporary pipeline figure shown in the arrangement of the steam blowing. This is see the boiler steam stop valve. यहाँ से steam गई. ये ब्लो डाउन पाइप है जहाँ से स्टीम को हम फ्लश करेंगे. टारगेट प्लेट इस पे ESV टारगेट करेंगे. ओके, द टारगेट प्लेट एंड टर्बाइन इमरजेंसी स्टॉप वाल्व टर्बाइन के थ्रू अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द स्टीम ब्लोइंग. ये पूरा अरेंजमेंट रहता है मैनुअली. टारगेट प्लेट पे हिट करना. ओके, during the steam flowing the precaution taken the pipe support has include the temperature. Check the pipe all support hinged including the temporary blowing. Okay, Blowing is a little bit, so let's finish and then like we will finish this lecture. So the pipeline has been inspected by the hydro test. Okay, removal the all control instrument equipment like the valves, the superheat nozzle, flow of element, thermowells, and pressure gauges, orifice plate, and the safety valves. देख रहे हैं आप, सबको रिमूव कर देंगे. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द ब्लोइंग के टाइम पे क्या करना चाहिए तो सब बताया गया है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दिस में बी डैमेज ड्यूरिंग द स्टीम ब्लोइंग के टाइम डैमेज हो सकता है. देयर इज़ द विजुअल कमीशन सच एज लाइट अप द फ्लैंज सिंस द audible audio commissioning may be the difficult due to the high noise level during the blowing. Noise बहुत तेज आएगा. ओके, assure the personal movement of the controlling the area during the steam blowing. The individual involved in the blowing should use the air plug. Air plug must use. For the steam blowing, the boiler allowed to be generate steam as per the normal operation. Okay. When the drum pressure reach value, calculate procedure desired blowing flow the quantities. Blowing procedure can be started now. The main steam stop valve, blow off the valve, fix the temporary blowing pipeline to be opened and allow the steam is the flowing throughout the pipeline and vent to the atmosphere. Drum level extremely fluctuating during the blowing. Blowing started, the drum level rise rapidly, may go to the slightly gauge glass. After some times blowing the progress, drum level wrappers may drop out the slightly. Therefore, the important that drum level maintenance slightly above the normal operating level. The small amount of feed water is supplied before the start of each blowing. The feed water flow should be increased as soon as the water level drop back slightly. Prevent the excess low water level. Low water level नहीं होने देना है during the blowing. It is difficult to avoid the carryover from the steam drum superheater during the blowing operation. Therefore, the water should not be treated non-volatile chemical during the process. Avoid the deposits of the superheater. The fuel feeding is to be stopped during the blowing, and this is to be started again in the next blowing. The steam line is allowed to cool down before the starting of the next blowing. The heating and cooling cycle detach any scales rust from the pipeline, so these are the blowing out. The target plate is used to be find out the cleanliness of the pipeline. The highly cleaning and polished metal plates, mild steel or aluminium used to target plate, and these plates are placed temporary blow pipe to be fixed target plate suitable arrangement made. When the steam blowing started, the particle move highly velocity makes impacts on the target plate, so impression the created on target plate, the plate not fixed during the first few blowing. During the initially blowing, lots of particles removed from the pipeline. A lot of the impression created in the plate. After the few blowing, the target plates is placed. The cleaning of the pipeline can be judged by the observing the impression of the target plate. Normally, blowing is completed flowing the situation. No impressive exceeding 0.5 mm से ज़्यादा. Impression exceeding 0.5 mm diameter no more two numbers as per the 2500 mm square of the target plate surface. Impressive exceeding के लिए not more than 10 numbers of as per the 2500 mm square the target the plate surface. Impression less than the 0.2 अगर हो तो as per the requirement of the turbine supplier. The above discussed method is the blowing is known as the puffing method. Sometimes the another method is known as the continuous blowing method as the adopted. The procedure is the same as the refueling puffing method, but the pressure is maintained constant during the blowing. The stress is on boiler is lower into the case. Once steam blowing is completed, the temporary pipeline is removed and the main steam line connecting to ESB से connect की जाती है. Okay. All auxiliary pipeline are injected steam line and the Glen steam line and erection line. Okay, also blowing is the steam to be clean. For this suitable looping made and low pressure steam is used. Okay, low pressure steam. So this was the other lecture.